Tesla holds Model 3 Highland premiere in Norway. The Tesla Model 3 Highland has been rolled out, but it is yet to be made available in the United States. With this in mind, Tesla appears to have held a premiere for the updated all-electric sedan in Norway instead. As noted in a report from TV2 Norway, journalists from across the world were invited to Lillestrøm, a municipality in Viken County. The event was important, as it was the unveiling of a new and updated version of the Tesla Model 3. An upgrade internally dubbed as Project Highland. What's quite interesting is that this seems to be the first time that Tesla has unveiled a new vehicle outside the United States. This is quite noteworthy since the Tesla Model 3 is definitely an incredibly important car for Tesla. The vehicle, after all, is a car that effectively made the company into a mainstream brand. It also paved the way for the Model Y crossover, the world's best-selling vehicle today. As per photos and videos shared of the Model 3 Project Highland premiere, Julian Bilodeau, creative manager for design at Tesla, traveled to Norway to present the new vehicle. Several units appeared to be in the location, including the vehicle that was heavily featured in CarWow's Model 3 Highland walkthrough on YouTube. Considering that the Model 3 Highland in the CarWow video did not have a front bumper camera, it would seem that the vehicles, or at least a number of them, in the Norway premiere were still release candidates. As such, the actual Project Highland production units that will be delivered to customers may feature some slight changes. The Tesla Model 3's Project Highland update includes a redesigned exterior with new headlights, taillights, bumper, and wheels. The vehicle also includes a fully updated interior that features ventilated front seats, a new steering wheel with no stalks, and an 8 display for rear passengers. The sound system of the Model 3 Project Highland was also improved, with the vehicle now having 17 speakers. As noted by the Norwegian publication, the new Tesla Model 3 RWD starts at $38,385 including VAT, weight tax, delivery costs. The Model 3 Long Range, on the other hand, costs $46,900. First deliveries are expected in October 2023. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at Teslarati.